Hi. Well, here it is. It's Friday in the afternoon, about 5:30. Tell you the truth, we had a pretty good day. We want you to see what our racing car is going to look like. This is the very beginning of it. Andreas and I worked like little chipmunks today, getting everything taken off of it. And we have a good friend from Florida, English gentleman, that has bought 4 fenders, the front fenders and the rear fenders for this one. And he's going to build something exotic with that, and we're going to build something exotic probably without any fenders. So here we are. We're just lacking a few little items, motor, transmission, things like that, but we'll have all that stuff. But we wanted to show you what a good Friday looks like, or Saturday actually, and tomorrow's Easter, so have a happy Easter and don't run over any bunnies. Bye.